Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Friday Freebies. So in today's video, I will provide you the 15 cinematic sound effects that you can easily use in your project. Sound effects pack is totally free of cost. And this sound effects pack is provided by AE Juice. So you can download all the cinematic sound effects from link in the description down below. So let's get started and listen all the preview of the sound effects or some of the sound effects. So these are some preview of cinematic sound effects pack. So you can download this pack from link in the description down below. So these are some preview of cinematic sound effects pack, and you can also check out other motion graphics pack or other cinematic HUD or all type of effect, all type of presets, all type of pack on AE Juice website. Like you can see here, AE Juice have lots of preset, lots of templates, and have extension for After Effects, Premiere Pro, for every software for creators like After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro. So they have lots of presets. You can download all the preset and get lifetime access by checkout from link in the description down below. Also you can see all the preview on his website, and you have to pay for one time to access any pack, any cinematic HUD or any. If you want to download I want all bundle, you have to pay only $149 for lifetime access, and you can easily use all the templates, all the presets, all the flat icon, all the you can access all the digital assets from the AE Juice website for lifetime by paying only $149 per month, or by paying only $149 for lifetime access. And you can also check out all other previews, like all other pack for Premiere Pro, for other software like HUD or many of these. So AE Juice has lots of preset, lots of pack on their website. So don't forget to check out them also. That is for today guys. This cinematic pack is provided by AE Juice, so you can download from link in the description down below. So if you like the video or love the cinematic pack, love the free stuff from AE Juice, so don't forget to check out their website. So goodbye for today, catch you in the next one. Bye bye, peace.